How to fix Chevrolet mobile app not working. Let's get started. Open your App Store or Play Store. Now search for the app Chevrolet. After app appears, you will see the option of Open or Update. If you find the option of Update, just click on it and update your app to its latest version. After you update the app, you can check whether your problem has been solved or not. Heading towards next solution, you have to clear the cache for the app. So long press on the app, you'll see the option of App Info, click on it. At the bottom right corner, you will find the option of Clear Data, click on it, click on Clear Cache. Now click on OK, click on Clear All Data, click on OK. Now you can try to open the app and check whether your problem will be solved or not. If you still encounter this issue, what you have to do is uninstall this app. At the bottom middle, you'll see the option of Uninstall, click on it. After you uninstall the app, open your Play Store or App Store, search for the app and install it. Applying all these solutions, your problem will be fixed. So this is how you can fix myChevrolet mobile app not working. If this video was helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Thank you.